So I've had a couple requests how to change the glass or take the glass off. So we're going to go over that real quick. And on this one, I actually didn't drain all the juice, but that's alright. So to start with, you unscrew the bottom cap just like you would if you're going to change out the cotton. Pull off the bottom. Ooh, that's a little dirty. I'll change the cotton in there anyway. And then, once you have that done, I'm going to take the top off here. Drip tip, or not drip tip. Anyway, once you get all the juice spilled all over your fingers, you unscrew the bottom here. That's this silver piece. And it's snug. I'm just unscrewing this part from this part inside. See there are the threads. And then the glass just pops off. Don't lose the O-ring. And then assembly is the same way. You put this O-ring back up over here. And by the way, if those of you have leaks across the top when you're using it, if it leaks a little bit, this O-ring's not seated properly. So make sure that O-ring's on there. And again, mine has juice all over it. You put the glass on. Make sure you got a little bit of oil on the O-ring, so it won't go on otherwise. Once you have that back together, then again, in there it's threaded. And this part is threaded up here. And there's a white O-ring here. If you need to replace that, there's also an O-ring here at the bottom. And it just slides up over it. Screw it in. And then again, mine, I had oil in it. You need to clean it, but this just kind of gives you the idea of how to do that. You even need to change out my cotton, but just to give you a quick idea. Then you'll be back to where you normally were, line the notch up. Screw the bottom piece on. Put it back on your mud. Fill the juice up. Close the lid. Put your tip in. And that's it. Go that one more time. Pop the tip off. Unscrew the bottom just like you would if you're going to change the cotton. Mine unscrewed all because I didn't have it tight. I don't have it tight because I'm actually going to rinse this all off. That's how you change out the glass and replace it. Hopefully, I answered everyone's questions. If not, hit me up. I know I was asked to do this a little bit ago and I meant to do it. I actually had some issues come up that I had to deal with, but there it is finally. Thank you.